Today, Goa wants the opposition to be together. Definitely, this is a forum. With the highest regards for this forum. Uh, First of all, ज्या पद्दतीन आज सुरवातेक जे calling attention घातिल्लें on regards to linemen helpers that died. On that particular issue, the department has failed to register FIRs to basically responsibility to who is responsible for them. Mantri only आश्वासना दिता, but nothing on ground. Almost 15 people have died. 5 people have died in the year 2023. This is the highest year in the history that this many people have died. Absolutely no safety gear for the linesmen in the electricity department. And Mantri विचारलें की what about the circular thing काढलो about the inverter, about the generator back current जो पडटा तो मोठा ad घायला म्हणून. So till today the linesmen are not safe. I demanded for insurance cover, demanded for various failures with regards to this particular aspect. मागीर क्रायमाचे ज्या पद्दतीन law and order problem पाड झालेले आसा, खास करून if you look at the figures, murders, rapes, minors are raped, senior citizens are, this is all absolutely failing law and order situation. Because of this, several Goan youth also are engaged in this because it is all linked to a psychological issue of unemployment. This is something that the law and order situation is going from bad to worse. As legislators today, it is our duty to demand and to legislate. So there are several proposals that I proposed, and I demanded that this government take in, because there's thousands of crores of budget that the police get. Today the police are failing us. Why are the police failing us is a big question mark. There's another calling attention on employment, on the employment figures as well. Government, after we force them, after we expose them that they have the highest amount of unemployed youth in the state, we have one of the highest amount of, he says we've got 100% literacy. So this is a very chronic problem. We are heading nowhere. So we land dite, lakhani square meter of land at peanuts, throwaway prices, and they are basically taking benefits of the land. But most of these outsiders that come to the state of Goa take whatever is there from Goa and get a pack of workers with them. Today, unemployment is the biggest issue. This government has failed. On the other side, the minister, Babush Monsarat, says that the central figures are wrong. So, ECMOCAची blame game, periodic labor survey, very clearly सांगलेले आसा that unemployment Goa is one of the highest states. So he has promised that he would come in with a policy within the next 6 months. So we will see what we expect from this government. I have absolutely no expectation. दूसरे दूसरे bill येले about during POGO. Now, when a private member's resolution is put, you see what is happening in the house. Housean कितें जाता, तांकां train केलें. कांय जाणां promise दिला, तूं chairmanship दितली, तूं minister कोतलो, तूं हें कोतलो. आनी चड जावन दुसरे अलायन्स पार्टनराचे तेंगेले जे आहाय ते आबूज कोताय. आबूज म्हणजे एक प्रयत्न चल्ला. दिस मे बी देअर स्ट्रॅटेजी टू बेसिकली कोण जेन्ना उलयता तेन्ना उश हें तें 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 म्हणपाक. ही प्रथा न्हू. एवरीवन नीड्स टू बी गिवन एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. मे बी ज्या वेळार वॉट विरेश वॉज ट्रायंग टू डू, बेसिकली ही जे बिल तेणें घालें, इट इज एन रेजोल्युशन घातलें त्या वेळार it is an opportunity that he gets to present his view. Now suddenly chief minister comes up with various statements. थिंगा कोण कोणा दोड माता, हाता लोयता आनी कितें सिग्नल कोता तें चॅक कोराय तुमी सारकें. ताका दोन पुसा दवरलाय सारको एक दोड माता. तें चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता सगळें हें कोर्टां हें सेटींग आहा म्हणून. And when he was not given to speak, why are you all admitting this stuff? If these are anti-constitutional, why admit first? If it is not, and my thought the legislative department को blame kota. That means the chief minister is blaming his own government that they have done a mistake. Today he says, why has this been admitted? I don't know why secretary is doing this, why he is doing that. So if you look overall, it was his right. I stood for his right, and at that spur of movement, some papers went all over the park. uh, I apologized just before speaking before the demand, because see, we have the highest regards for the house, for the speaker's chair, but we have to be given opportunities. We are here 18 डेजाचे 6 महिन्यांनी 18 डेजाचे सेशन आसपाक जाली 15 दिसा केला सगळे कटेल कोताय सगळे गरजपा भोंवताय पयले आमी प्रत्येक हेजे डिव्हिजन घेताय आज जरी तर चयल्यार रोमी लिपीचेरूय जेन्ना आमी प्रयत्न केले आमी सांगले की एक 25 स्कुलात एक्सपेरिमेंट कर Romi Lipi is also connected to Konkani. We are all lovers of Konkani. There are people who have expectations. The government failed, and this was nothing to do with the Official Language Act. Specifically, we tried to tell the Chief Minister, but they had their own agenda. It was not about dividing people. It's democracy, they are welcome. But one thing that I spotted to the Chief Minister is your guru, your mentor, Manohar Parrikar had promised this. There are several videos that are viral. So म्हाका दिसता to which he didn't reply. तेज नंतर आमची क्लायमेट राखपाक जे उदकाचे प्रश्न जाताय जे क्लायमेट रेजिलियन्स एक सगळें गोंयभर जे जावपाक जाय ती सुविधा जावपाक जाय डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट टुडे इज अ फेलियर ऑल दीस हांवें जेन्ना सांगलें पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा चेअरमॅन ना म्हणून तेन्ना थिंगा हावजांत अनावन्स जाता लेविन्सन मार्टिन पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा चेअरमॅन न्यूज ब्रेक जाता सो वेर इज द सिस्टम वेर आर वी हेडिंग वेर इज द ZFP हेडिंग आज शेती खात्याचेर आमी उलयल्लेले आसा म्हाका दिसता अमृत काळ पॉलिसी एग्रीकल्चर पॉलिसी जी स्टेटाची आसा टुडे ऑन वन सायड यू टॉक अबाउट अ पॉलिसी दॅट प्रोटेक्ट्स शेती प्रोटेक्ट्स केअर प्रोटेक्ट्स खजान हे सगळे प्रोटेक्ट करता दुसरे सायडीक सगळे कन्वर्ट सो यू सी द लिंक एब्सोल्युटली मिसप्लेस प्रायोरिटीज several pending dues of almost 4,500 beneficiaries is pending from 2019 आणि जे ज्या पद्धतीन जे with the agriculture minister or the agriculture ministry is moving, I do not know. I congratulate him of getting the policy, but I believe that implementation will be zero. Today सगळे जे आमचे थोडे यंग भुरगे जे शेतांत आसा विथ इनोवेशन दे आर मुवींग फॉरवर्ड आज वी आर इन द सेम 1961 system seems that we are just liberated the way this department is moving on. So definitely I feel at the end of today's week, next week we have opportunities and it is our duty, no matter what, it is my duty as leader of opposition when there is, my mic is on, their mic is off, they are shouting. It is my duty to stand whoever is in the opposition and I believe it is my right. That is what I am doing. We are all in the opposition trying to fight for gold.
Okay, तू होईदा begin काय you will be waiting for demand reply. Reply रावता.
Thank you.